Richard Hartman asked, do you think the embroidery business is oversaturated? Seems like there are countless people doing embroidery. Has me nervous. That's a great question. That's a very interesting question, actually, Richard. I think the embroidery business, a lot of people have been getting into it, but I think it's not oversaturated by any means, because I think the market demand is just so huge that there is enough to go around for everyone, because everywhere you go, everywhere you look at, whether it's I go to a restaurant, I go to the gym, I go to the mall or a sports team, everyone has some sort of embroidery on their apparel. You might own multiple items of embroidery in your closet, right? So I think the demand has definitely kept on rising, and especially with income being higher and the economy doing so well, people want to have stuff that are personalized, right? They don't want to look the same as everyone else, so they want to get it personalized. So personalization has become more and more of an important factor in this industry and in this economy. So I don't think it's oversaturated. Now we've seen a lot of people getting into it, and we've seen that the popularity of the embroidery business increase, but I still think that the demand outweighs the vendors that can fulfill those type of orders, right? So because you can have embroidery ranging from very niche things like stuffed animals, or even toilet paper, right? We have customers doing those like gag gifts. So those things are definitely not your average typical order, but there's still a market for it. And even on Etsy, you see people selling very customized and very niche items all the time, and they're charging a very high premium for that. Sometimes a nicely embroidered jacket goes upwards of $120. So if that type of margin is there, it would just obviously attract more people. But I don't think that the demand is going lower anytime soon, and in fact it's quite the opposite, where people are demanding more customized products because they want it to be personalized, whether it's for an event, for a wedding. I mean, the use cases are endless. So that's why part of the reason why you see a lot of people getting into it is because there's a lot of demand to be filled. There are people doing embroidery that are just specialized on items on boats or car mats. That's all they do. So one niche of the sliver of embroidered products, you can see that even people are able to thrive on just that one vertical. So very interesting point and question that you bring up there. But to your answer or to your question, I don't think it's oversaturated, and in fact we do see it growing in the next few years as well.